Hello guys, welcome to my yai. What's the tea? So for this day, I need to finish a task and then I also have to wrap all the gifts that I bought just a few weeks ago. Nalata na gid siya day, char. Ragwa na gid siya tandog-tandog. Pusto na gid siya kahapit ng Pasko. Merry Christmas dada sa inyo daw. Merry Christmas. So, what are the lessons you learned this year? So far, it would be I think the best lesson that I learned this year, I realized that life will not wait for you to move forward. Your environment, the surroundings that you have will continue to move. If you'll just lay there, overthinking, wag gyud mahitabo. Move your body, shake your body, move your body now. Char lang. Para to siya guys. Sa inyong realizations. Dagan kay realizations eh. Every day, you will reflect kung unsa tong nabuhat nimo gahapon and what are the things you need to improve. Para to siya guys. Bye-bye.